hey, hello, hey, hey. We're doing another Q&A video today. I know I wore this outfit in my last video, but I'm actually pre-filming a bunch of videos today. So we're just gonna have to deal with it. I'm gonna have to go close my door though, because my girly babes are being a little bit loud. Hold on 1 second. First question. So crazy, I think she meant to say thought. So crazy thought I had last night while trying to maximize my sales. What are your thoughts on how Poshmark will be for us with coronavirus? People are in the mindset of how they're laid off and don't necessarily need cute clothes for laying around the house. Okay, so I've talked about this in a previous video. Definitely affecting sales. My sales have definitely been low, and you know, it makes sense. A lot of people don't want to buy clothes right now. They're thinking about necessities like food and like supplies and toilet paper. You need enough toilet paper to be able to wipe your ass. I watched this video of this girl, I think it was on TikTok. TikTok is addicting, guys. Like, it's, who makes up these TikTok dances, by the way? Is there like someone whose title is like TikTok dance creator, TikTok choreographer, choreographer? You know, like, who, seriously, who makes up these dances? Because they all have the same like arm movements and like the, you know, it's gotta be the same person that makes them all up, right? Anyway, I saw a video on there of a girl whose dad like did the math of like somebody buying like a 24 pack of toilet paper, I think it was, or a 12 pack of toilet paper, something pack of toilet paper. Basically, you would need to shit 182 times a day, I think, to use up all the toilet paper that people are like buying and hoarding. I'll try to find that video if I can and link it down below. I think it definitely is affecting, I mean, it is, it's affecting me, it's affecting other people, I know that. You know, it makes sense, but I think you just gotta keep pushing on. You just gotta keep listing. You know, source if you can. A lot of thrift stores are closed, so try to source online, be resourceful. I have a video talking about how you can get inventory for free. Yeah, little trick to get inventory for free. I'll link that video down below. But you gotta be resourceful and don't give up. You know, just because sales are down, don't let that get to you. There are still gonna be people out there that want some sort of normalcy and will still continue to buy clothes. So don't give up. Yes, it's gonna affect sales, but don't give up. Next question is, I'm interested in how you distress your items. I do love that sweatshirt. Have you considered doing a video on how to distress them? I'm sure there are some on YouTube, but I like your funny videos. Would like to see you do one. I actually just filmed one before filming this video. That video will probably be up before this, so I will link it down below. But yeah, super simple. It's really, really simple the way I distress my clothing items. So yeah, I'll link that video down below. All right, next question. Could you make a video on negotiating strategies? You're always saying not to decline and to always counter, but I still always seem to end up at my lowest price. Thanks, love the videos. Yes, that's actually, yes, that's a really good question. I feel like that could be a whole separate video, so I will add that to my list of videos to make. Next question. Love your videos. Thank you, Donna. I am 58 with 2 grown kids. Started selling on Posh to fund the publishing of my children's books. Oh, that's so cool. Oh my gosh, I will totally buy them. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. You've been a godsend to me. Oh, you're so sweet. You better autograph a book. If I buy it from you, you better autograph it. Okay, my question, which category should I use for athletic wear? Am I overlooking something? Okay, so let's go into the category. So like this, for instance, this is an Adidas sweatshirt. This is considered athletic wear. I would list this under tops and then sweatshirts and hoodies. For pants, let's go into it right now. So for pants, you know, if you go in the pants category, there are ankled and cropped, boot cut and flare, capris, track pants and joggers. That's athletic wear. Jumpsuits and rompers, leggings, that could be considered athletic wear as well. And then it says skinny, straight leg trousers and wide leg. So for my athletic wear, I just spit, sorry. For sweatshirts, I list them under tops and then sweatshirts and hoodies. For like, okay, I have a couple of like running shirts, like Nike running shirts. That's considered athletic wear. That would be listed under tops and then long sleeve shirts. There's no like specific category. I think Mercari has a specific category for athletic wear. Maybe I might be wrong. But there's no specific category just for athletic wear. So, you know, you gotta really look at what the item is and then, you know, just kind of go from there. I would use maybe like the word athletic in the title, you know, so if you have like a Nike running shirt, you know, maybe not necessarily use the word athletic, but you know, like use the words athletic wear in the title because you can't use it as a category. And then as far as like shorts go, what do I list my shorts as? Let's see, shorts. Yeah, really, Poshmark does need, you know, more category options, I think. So the subcategories under shorts are skirts, jean shorts, Bermudas, and cargos. So in that case, I would just list them under shorts. I wouldn't do a subcategory for like athletic short. Next question. Hey girl, I love your videos. Thank you, Megan. And just had a couple of questions for you. Number one, what really is the point of a host pick? I have had several items of my closet chosen for host pick before and they have not sold. Is that normal? Should I still try to get blah, blah, blah? Okay, hold on. Backing up. What is really the point of a host pick? So, you know, I've hosted 3 Poshmark parties before, and a host pick, it doesn't necessarily mean you're gonna get sales. So the fact that you've gotten items that are host picks before and they haven't sold, that's not surprising. That's normal. You'll get a lot of like action on that listing. You'll get a lot of people commenting, being like, congratulations on your host pick. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know, people put like 65 emojis in one comment. I bet you've gotten a lot of those. But for it to not sell is definitely, unfortunately, ooh, 2 adverbs in a row. It's normal. Should I still try to get my items chosen, or would you say it's not worth the time? I mean, I think it's worth the time because it's not like really time consuming to do that. You know, backing up, how are you getting your items chosen? You know, are you going to each one of the hosts' closets and like commenting, or are you just sharing? Either way, it doesn't really take much time to do that. So I would say it's still worth it. You know, there is the chance it could sell. You will get a lot of eyes on those listings and you will get a lot of comments. So yeah, I still think it's worth the shot because it's not that time consuming. But yeah, unfortunately, host picks don't necessarily mean that you're gonna get a sale, that people are gonna buy it. It just means that the hosts like your listing and they think that it's great enough to be in the host showroom. All right, your next question is, how many times a day or week do you send out offers to likers? Okay, so I like to send offers to likers on Thursdays and Saturdays. And also I send them like randomly here and there. I don't really have like a set schedule for offers to likers except for the Thursday and Friday, or Thursday and Saturday thing. So, and I do it Thursday night too, because, you know, some people get, well, I feel like a lot of people get paid on like Thursdays or Fridays. If I do it, Thursday night, you have 24 hours. That gives you like all day Friday, you know. And Saturdays, it's a busy day on Poshmark. So yeah, I don't really have a set time. It's just kind of like sporadic. So every now and then I look through the items in my closet and I see which items have a lot of likes, but, you know, haven't had a lot of offers. And, you know, I really take into consideration the price, and then I will send offers on those items. And I would say that's probably, I probably do that every, I would say maybe like once a month for that. And then, you know, sometimes, I don't know, I don't really have a schedule. The only like set schedule for sending offers to likers is on Thursday nights and Saturdays. You know, sometimes if somebody were to like something right now, I might send them an offer. You know, it all depends, I guess, on my mood that day. And last question, I love how you keep it real. Thanks, Amanda. But to Q&A, can you go over how you do your pictures? Flat lay, mannequin, hanging. Also, do you have to get mannequin? Evelyn's outside my door. Do you have to get a mannequin for each size? Okay, so majority of my items, I do use a mannequin. I do flat lays for jeans and shorts. So the mannequin that I bought, I got off Amazon. I can link it down below if you guys are interested. It was super affordable. I think it was only like 50 bucks. It is, you know, she's like a, what size? She's like a small medium, and that's typically the sizes that I sell. I mean, I sell all kinds of sizes, but I would say the majority of my stuff is like small, medium. And then things that are bigger, I still put them on her. I do have some men's clothes, so what I do for that is I just turn her around. You know, I turn her around, so her back is her front now. And then I put the men's shirts on that way. You know, that way when you're listing a men's shirt, it doesn't have boobs, you know, because that would be, you know, some guys would think that's kind of weird if they're looking at a t-shirt and it's got boobs, you know. So yeah, that's a little trick I got. But yeah, let me see if it says like her size. So shoulder width is 15, like just shoulder to shoulder is 15. Chest going all around is 33, waist is 26, and hips are 35. Like I said, it's a perfect size for all of the items that I sell. And for guy stuff, I just flip it around. Her back is now her front. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You'll get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.